Hello, kids. I hope you are fine at home. During this week, we're going to learn about a new topic. This topic is about community helpers. Okay, so let's review and start. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good night. Good night. Okay, let's continue. Sunday. Sunday. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. Okay, let's see how's the weather. How's the weather today? It is sunny. It is rainy. It is windy. It is cloudy. How's the weather today? Let's start with the community helpers. Look at those kids. Wow, they look amazing. Let's start. Doctor. Doctor. Chef. Chef. Police officer. Police officer. Firefighter. Firefighter. Dentist. Dentist. Teacher. Teacher. Okay, kids. Now we learn about community helpers. So remember, stay at home and don't forget to wash your hands. Kisses, kisses. Bye-bye.